Hi friends, today we are making quick Greek grilled chicken souvlaki pita plates, a bright and satisfying dinner with juicy lemon yogurt chicken, warm pitas, crisp salad, and feta. It serves 4 servings and comes together in 35 minutes, so it is perfect when you want something easy but still full of Greek flavor. Let's walk through the ingredients. 1 1/2 pounds boneless, skinless chicken thighs are the juicy heart of this quick dinner. Thighs stay tender on the grill pan and pick up great char. 1/3 cup plain Greek yogurt makes the marinade creamy and helps the chicken brown beautifully. Use unsweetened yogurt for the cleanest flavor. 3 tablespoons olive oil bring richness to the marinade and a silky finish to the salad. A good Greek-style extra virgin olive oil is wonderful here. 3 tablespoons fresh lemon juice give this dinner its bright Greek snap. Fresh juice tastes much cleaner than bottled lemon juice. 2 cloves garlic add that savory souvlaki aroma. Grating them finely helps the flavor spread quickly through the marinade. 1 teaspoon dried oregano gives the chicken its classic Greek herb flavor. Crush it lightly between your fingers before adding it if you want even more aroma. 1 teaspoon kosher salt seasons the chicken all the way through. It also helps the quick marinade work in just a short rest. 1/2 teaspoon ground black pepper adds gentle heat and depth. It keeps the marinade savory without overpowering the lemon. For Greek pitas, turn the grilled chicken into a complete easy dinner. Choose soft, pocketless pitas if you can find them. 1 cup diced cucumber brings cool crunch. Persian or English cucumber works especially well because it is crisp and not too watery. 1 cup halved cherry tomatoes add sweetness and color. Their juices lightly dress the cucumber salad as everything sits. 1/4 cup thinly sliced red onion gives the salad a sharp, fresh bite. Slice it thin so it blends into every forkful. 1/2 cup crumbled feta cheese adds salty creaminess at the end. Its tangy flavor ties the grilled chicken and fresh salad together. 2 tablespoons chopped fresh parsley bring a clean, herbal finish. It makes the plate taste lighter and look brighter. Preparation begins with the chicken. Cut 1 1/2 pounds boneless, skinless chicken thighs into bite-sized pieces about 1 inch wide, so they cook quickly and evenly on the grill pan. Now that the chicken is cut, make the quick marinade. In a large bowl, stir together 1/3 cup plain Greek yogurt, 2 tablespoons olive oil, 2 tablespoons fresh lemon juice, 2 finely grated garlic cloves, 1 teaspoon dried oregano, 1 teaspoon kosher salt, and 1/2 teaspoon ground black pepper. Add the chicken pieces to the bowl and fold until every piece is coated. Let the chicken rest for 10 minutes while the yogurt, lemon, garlic, oregano, salt, and pepper start to season it. While the chicken rests, make the fresh topping. In a clean bowl, combine 1 cup diced cucumber, 1 cup halved cherry tomatoes, 1/4 cup thinly sliced red onion, 2 tablespoons chopped fresh parsley, the remaining 1 tablespoon olive oil, and the remaining 1 tablespoon fresh lemon juice, then toss gently. With the salad ready, heat a cast iron grill pan over medium-high heat for 5 minutes. A properly hot pan gives the chicken and pitas those deep grilled marks. Before the chicken goes on, grill the 4 Greek pitas for 30 seconds per side. Set them aside while they are warm and lightly marked. Now add the marinated chicken to the hot grill pan in 1 layer, working in 2 batches if the pan is crowded. Cook the first side for 4 minutes without moving it so the chicken can sear instead of steam. Once the first side is browned, turn the chicken pieces with tongs and cook for 4 to 5 more minutes. The chicken is done when the thickest pieces reach 165 degrees Fahrenheit. Now that the chicken is fully cooked, move it to the cutting board and let it rest for 5 minutes. This keeps the pieces juicy when we build the pita plates. As the chicken rests, stir the cucumber tomato topping once more. The tomato juices, lemon juice, and olive oil make a simple fresh dressing. Now set the warm pitas on plates. Spoon on the cucumber, tomato, red onion, and parsley topping, then add the rested grilled chicken over the top. Finish the cooking by scattering 1/2 cup crumbled feta cheese over the pita plates. Serve them warm right away. While the chicken is juicy, the pitas are soft, and the salad is crisp. And there it is, a quick Greek grilled chicken souvlaki pita dinner that delivers exactly what we promised: juicy lemon oregano chicken, warm grilled pita, crisp vegetables, and salty feta in every bite. Serve it as an easy weeknight plate, and if you enjoyed this recipe, please like, subscribe, and tap the bell for more simple dinners.